Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are once more with another video of how we can earn free crypto without investing any money. But before we do that, I want to take a moment and thank you guys again for 1K subscribers. So yeah, don't forget all the good stuff. Since we are here, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also turn on post notification and like and share the videos because it will help me and my channel grow furthermore, and in this way we can help each other out, me with tips and you with likes and shares and being subscribed, obviously. So today, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're going to talk about YOBIT. And for all the people who don't know, which I think there are very few of you, YOBIT, it's a crypto exchange. It has a decent volumes, $16 million this 24 hours. It's rated between 50th place and 17th place on the coin market cap list for the 24-hour daily volume. Let's say 24-hour volume. So it's a decent crypto exchange, and I'm pretty sure most of you know about this exchange. I don't know if you have an account on this one. But believe it or not, for all the people who don't know, YOBIT Crypto-exchange, except for doing crypto exchange, in this one you can get free crypto, and to get that free crypto it's really easy. Obviously, the first thing you need to do if you don't have an account on this crypto exchange is go to the description of my videos. Almost in every one of my videos you have my referral link there. Click on the YOBIT referral link and it will take you obviously to the YOBIT crypto exchange page. Be very careful with the address, I should say, yobit.net. Be very careful because there are scam sites which can trick you into this, so be very careful. But anyway, in here we just want to open an account and get free crypto, so it doesn't really matter. But as I always say, the safety should come first. The safety should come first, especially in this world, in blockchain technology and crypto coins. You should be very careful with your safety with your accounts. And obviously, after you open and create your account, I invite you to do the verification process. It's not too difficult to do. Obviously, activate two-factor authentication, obviously activate SMS and email passwords or codes, so you can be 100% sure that your account is safe. And one thing I should let you know, when you use crypto exchange, use them only on your PC, only on your phone, and only where you when you are on your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Do not use them on other Wi-Fi connections. Do not use them on other Wi-Fi or internet carriers, let's say, because in this way you add the chances to get your information stolen. So be very careful again with the safety of your account anywhere, not only in crypto exchanges, obviously. So let's move on. After you have opened your account and verify your account, obviously the next thing you need to do, you can see that the crypto exchange, it's not too difficult to get to understand how it works. But basically, as you can see in here, you have a section that says free coins. So basically, after you have opened an account, you just go in here. You don't have to do anything. You don't need to have any coins on your account to be able to get free coins. So basically you just go in here, and as you can see, these are all the coins you can get for free in this crypto exchange. So basically you just obviously you need to click on the coins that are ready to pick up. So you just click get free coins, then you obviously do the captcha, I'm not a robot, click confirm, and then you can go on, just click on get free coins on all the coins that are available at that moment when you are getting these free coins. So basically you have to know obviously that you are not going to get rich from this. As you can see, 99.9% of all these coins are, as we call them, shit coins. So basically most of them don't have any value, even if you get too many coins from these giveaways, because as you can see 0.00000001 coin, but sometimes there are coins which you get many of them. And I decided to do this video because you may say, if we don't earn, why you are doing this video, why you are showing this to us? And I decided to show you because I lost a very good opportunity. Here it's a coin that is called Liza. So let me just find it. Okay, here let's go to Liza, and let me guys show you something really cool in here. So let's do 6 months. Okay, it doesn't show, but anyway, I can tell you this, that as you can see in here, this coin, when I entered YOBIT, I think at the beginning of this year, on the free coin sections, you get to have too many Liza coins. You could get, for example, 100,000 coins at one section. I know a friend of mine that did more than 1.5 million coin, but obviously then it did not have any value. As you can see, the value is almost zero, as you can see, although the volume it's pretty low, but anyway, it was tradable. But at some point, Liza, or let's say the developers of Liza, decided they go ahead and burn most of the coins. So basically, I think it was a burning for one coin with 100 million coins. So basically, if you had 100 million Liza coins, which were very cheap if you went ahead and buy them, but obviously if you went ahead and be part of YOBIT before the burn happens, then you could easily get the 100 million coins with all the giveaways that all the free coins that were given there. And I say this because, as you can see, after the burn, you can see that the price of Liza coin went up to 8,000 bitcoins. As you can see, maximum price 8,000 bitcoins, and as you can see, the volume, it's pretty damn high for a shitty coin. If you can see, 70 bitcoins traded with this price. So basically, if you had just 0.001 bitcoin, you could get up to how is it, $8? Anyway, 8,000 bitcoins for only one Liza coin. As you can see in here, the 13th of January, we are at 7,000 bitcoin minimum price, 2,500,000 bitcoins. Yeah, so yeah, it was a very close of me getting some pretty nice gains from these shit coins. So who knows, maybe it can happen again. As you can see, 183 bitcoins traded with this shitcoin. Basically, I know that the gainers from this were the developers and those who had the Liza coins bought early before this coin burn happened. But anyway, we could be part of this. As you can see, this coin was around I think, let's see them. No, you can unfortunately you cannot see them here, but at least from September, as we can see from here. So it was a very nice chance to get a really decent amount of money out of these shit coins if we were able to catch this. Anyway, let's not talk about this. It's still a shit coin. I don't believe in this one, but anyway, it has a nice value now. As you can see, one Litecoin cost around 6 bitcoins, so it has a nice value. So maybe someone can profit from this, but the volume, it's really low, as you can see. Anyway, I think that was it. Another thing you need to know about the free coin section in here, it's not that you can enter only once a day and you can get any more coins. As you can see, there is a timer. For example, this coin, it's for 1 hour available. So after 1 hour, there you can get again this coin or this coin in here. As you can see, 54 minutes left. Other coins are for 24 hours. Other coins are for 3, 4, 6. It depends on the people that are giving away these coins. But anyway, these are shit coins, but at the end of the day, they are free. So who knows, maybe from them jumps out another Lisa coin, who knows. So yeah, we can get a really decent amount of money. Or let's say I can show you something. If we go to my wallet in here, okay, I missed that. Okay, so as you can see, my current balance is 0.00359 Bitcoin on all the coins I have, obviously converted in Bitcoin. I can say you this, that at the beginning of this month I was at around 0.0029, around 3. So basically from the beginning of March till now I have done this amount in here in Bitcoin, but obviously this is relative because first you need to convert this coin into Bitcoin, which you need to go to sell them. If obviously you need to see if there is a market for these coins and then sell them, if you can sell them. But anyway, you have to consider this as a long term. As I say, for all the ways you can get free crypto, this is for the long term. So so this means that in 1 or 2 years, or maybe 2 to 3 months, one of these coins can shoot up like Lisa, and hey, you can get a decent amount of money out of it. So who knows, maybe in a period of 2 to 3 years, 2 or 3 or 4, or maybe all of these coins can get a decent value. So it's a nice way to earn some crypto, be part of blockchain technology, as I always say, and be part of crypto coins. So this is a very nice way to earn some free crypto without doing anything. If then you want to use this crypto exchange for trading or for other things, you can do that. It's all safe to do. It's all up to you, so you can decide whatever you want to do. Okay, then I think I covered all the things. Yep, I think so. Don't forget again to use my referral links. Obviously I don't get anything for this, but if someday you decide to do trading, then you can help me a little bit with your trading. But this is just relative, and I don't expect nothing to earn about from this. But anyway, who knows, maybe some of you are generous people who are going to trade very much in this crypto exchange. Okay, then that was it for today. As always, before we go away, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on post notification and like and share the videos. And thanks again for the 1K subscribers, and catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.